When it comes to investing, 67% of Americans are entirely on their own. No financial experience, no usable advice, and no idea where to begin. That's not only frustrating, it puts your wealth at risk for bad investments. You may be thinking that your brokerage could put you on the path to building your wealth, but unless you specifically hire an advisor, your brokerage can pass you over to a sales rep, someone who is not legally required to offer you advice that's in your best interest. In fact, most brokerages work more in their interest than in yours. That's because sales reps can legally suggest high-fee funds, and when you invest your money, the brokerage gets a cut of fees from fund managers. Each year, Americans pay over $100 billion in such fees. You don't have to put up with questionable advice and high fees, not when you have YourCapital on your side. We are an online advisor for middle-class Americans, and we're registered with the SEC, which means we are legally required to put your interest first. And we take the time to learn about you and your investment objectives. Then we use our market insight and today's best technology to offer you unbiased investment advice. And you can access that advice anytime you need it. When you team up with YourCapital, you'll benefit from a comprehensive investment health check that shows you how your portfolio of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are performing. And to keep mutual funds from eating into your wealth, we identify low-fee ETFs and Vanguard funds to find you better alternatives. Our expertise extends into recognizing portfolio risks and mitigating them before the risk turns into problems. With YourCapital, you can invest with confidence. You don't have to spend hours searching the best investments or dealing with sales reps who are more interested in enriching themselves than helping you grow wealth. With us, you always remain in control of your investments and are free to decide if our recommendations are right for you. Save time, save money, and grow your wealth. Join us and discover the next frontier of investing.